Hello, my fellow creators, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you ready for another unboxing? I know I am. All right, so here's my latest package of goodies from the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. And you can see I haven't opened it at all. It's all taped up still. So let's dig into this. I love opening up packages. It's like Christmas every time I get a new package. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Because let me get my stuff all out of the package, and then we'll see what it is. Alrighty, these are all the goodies I got, and one of these, in fact, this sheet is a freebie here, and look, they send this. It says free sample glitter luxe encore paper. So this one was a freebie, and of course their wonderful little note inside. It says life is better when you are crafting. Yes, indeed it is. So I didn't order too much this time around, but I did get a few things. To start with, let me show you this. Hold on. So I got this package, and this is the Mystery Cardstock Scrap Bag, and it's 1 pound of cardstock. So I thought, you know what, let me order that and see what comes in it. And friends, excuse the purplish hands. I use purple shampoo on my hair because I have gray hair, and that keeps it from yellowing. So it stains my hands when I use it. But here is, oh look, some nice samples of some high quality cardstock. So I guess what these are is when the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop does some sample projects, you know, they cut into their paper and then they have leftover pieces like these, and they make this nice 1 pound of cardstock goodie grab bag, which is great. I can use these for die cutting. Oh, look, a shimmery gold. I'm going to flip that upside down. Here's another one. This was like that brushed gold. Here, let's try and make more room here. It is a full pound of cardstock. Oh, this is this glittery paper. I love that. So you get a nice variety of papers. This is a shimmery, kind of a shimmery paper. And I do believe, I'm trying to think if these are all encore papers. It feels like some of them are. Not all of them though. Another shimmery foiled one. Look how pretty, you guys. And I didn't even notice they kind of packed them in rainbow order. I just unpacked them the wrong way. So look at all these papers. Oh my goodness. These are perfect for all my die cutting. So like when you get those dies that are smaller, that you're going to do a lot of piecing together, which I have quite a few of those. These are perfect for that because, oh, this is like a pearlescent shimmer white foil. Oh, look at these. So pretty. But I have a lot of those dies, nice texture. And so these are perfect. So I don't have to cut into a full sheet of cardstock from my stash. Rather, I can go and grab, oh, look at that one. These scraps. I think I might get another one of these. I'm going to cover these ones that are shimmering in a minute, guys. But look, you get quite a bit, quite a nice variety. Cover those up so the camera doesn't glare at you too much. More glitter. My goodness. That's so pretty. Look at this. This is a great value. This is really a great value. You get all these different, a nice variety of textures, weights, finishes. Look at that. I love that. I'm just loving this. Oh my goodness. And I already have some ideas. Oh, look at this nice brown textured one. It kind of looks like leather. I don't know if you can tell. Probably not. Let's see. But it's so pretty. Goodness gracious. So this is in that one, it's called Mystery Cardstock Scrap Bag, 1 pound of cardstock. So I will link to the 12 by 12 cardstock shop in the description box. And that way you can kind of peek. They have several different good deals aside from just their regular cardstock. They have this scrap box or scrap bag. They also have a package of like imperfect cardstocks. Look at that. That's a lot of cardstock. Perfect. So these, what I'm going to do is make a little bin of these, what are they called? Scraps or leftover pieces that came in this 1 pound bag. And that way I know I can grab from there for all my small die cutting. Perfect. Nice big, look at that. Nice big stack of paper. Okay. Next, let's take a peek at what I got as far as the other papers. So I ordered some vellum. I ran out of a couple colors of the vellum and I really like it. So let's take a peek. So I have this beautiful green vellum. Look how pretty. A nice sunflower yellow. This one's a pink. Love that. A different shade of green. Why did I get 2 greens? Oh, I know why. For my Christmas projects. Red, beautiful red. And then this came in there just to kind of keep it sturdy, which I can use that cardstock. Okay, then this was the freebie that I got. So this is the glitter Luxe Encore paper. So pretty. And it doesn't shed. See? No shedding. Loving it. Then, let's see. This is the champagne matte foil. Love it. I ran out of this one, so I had to get another. And then this is the obsidian matte foil. So pretty. Then this one, I got some of their Encore paper. So this is forest green. And then this is All American Red. Then I have Grasshopper. How pretty. And it's their Encore paper is textured. Let me see. You can kind of tell. This is Beehive. Did I miss one? Beehive. Then this. What is this one? I'm trying to look at my packing slip, guys. Sorry. Oh, this is Jet Black. This is their Encore paper. Then this one is Emerald City Matte Foil. Loving that. This is, look at this, how pretty. Ornament Red. See, I got a lot of reds and greens. I have Christmas projects in mind. And that's it. That's all I got. So I'm going to kind of lay out the goodies I got here so you can kind of see. I didn't go too overboard this time, which it was tempting to go overboard, but I didn't. Alrighty, friends. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.